Okay, how we all doing, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another fantastic video by yours truly, Life Made Easy. Thank you for clicking on this video. And today I'm going to be explaining to you the top 3 budget gaming laptops that I could find on Amazon. I want to give a huge shout out to Harvey HD for helping me put this video together and giving me the idea and showing me the laptops on Amazon. So without further ado, guys, I'm going to show you the top 3 gaming laptops, budget version, all under $700. It's going to be links down in the description to go buy all 3 of these. And when I say gaming laptops, this budget gaming laptops, I specifically mean laptops that are able to play most PC titles, AAA titles at a decent frame rate and have a decent graphics card for a low price. So without further ado, let's hop into the first laptop on the list. Okay, so starting off our list, I also have this overlay of just the Amazon page where you guys can find this if you're confused about which laptop specifically. So the first one, we have the HP Pavilion gaming laptop, 15.6-inch Core i5 8300. Okay, so this is a 15.6-inch laptop. That's like usually like in between size. Usually 13 inches is on the smaller side and 17 inches is on the bigger side. Okay, so we got a Full HD IPS screen, which is solid at this price point. All 3 laptops I'm going to be explaining all have a full HD screen, which is all nice. It's anti-glare, so it's not going to be that glossy kind of screen you see on most laptops. It's got narrow bezel design. It's got 8 gigabytes of RAM plus 1 terabyte of hard drive storage. Now, sadly, there's no SSD on this laptop. I would have liked to see an SSD, but you will get a terabyte hard drive, which is good for storing large gaming files, sadly, but it just won't load up as fast. So on this laptop, we got an NVIDIA graphics card, which is awesome. Also, the hard drive is 72 RPM, so it's pretty quick, just not as quick. So we have a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti, which is really solid, and you're going to be able to play like basically any title with that. I mean, you should be able to get like 60 FPS or probably around like 120 FPS for Fortnite. That's a really solid graphics card. I think all of these have a 1050 Ti except maybe the third one on my list here. But yeah, it's got 4 gigabytes of video RAM, which is decent enough. It's got one USB 3.1 and it's Type-C, which is awesome. So if you want to transfer content insanely fast, you can do that as well. As I said, 1080p screen, and it's clocked at 2.3 gigahertz. A little on the low side, but it should get the job done. Only 8 gigabytes of RAM. Would have liked to see 16, but at this price point, you can't really expect 16 gigs of RAM. And the battery life is somewhere between 7.5 hours. So I think that's a really respectable laptop. It's 4.85 pounds, so on the chunkier side of weight, and it's 1 inch. Most gaming laptops are always going to be 1 inch. So I think that's a solid option. Links below, as I said. Let's move on to number 2. Okay, so coming in at the second best budget gaming laptop, we have the Dell Inspiron 5000 5577 gaming laptop, 15.6-inch full HD screen, just like the last one. We have the Intel quad-core i5 7300, so 7th gen processor. Got a terabyte hard drive, just like the last one. 8 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, just like the last one. And this has a GTX 1050, not the 1050 Ti, just the normal 1050. Okay, so this one's slightly different. So as I said, 7th gen i5, that's fine. This one's clocked at 3.5 gigahertz, so this is much higher than the previous one. We do sadly have another terabyte hard drive mechanical. Things won't load up as fast, as I said. Would have liked to see an SSD, but it's really difficult to find one at this price point. It's only a GTX 1050, which is still a solid card. It's not as good as the 1050 Ti. You should be able to run most titles at 60 FPS high settings. This one has a slightly higher battery life, clocked at 8 hours, which is really awesome. And by the way, guys, this is the laptop I currently own. I just have a different version of it. I have the 4K model with a terabyte hard drive and a 128 gig SSD. Mine also comes with a GTX 960M, which is a older processor. So I'm probably going to get a desktop PC in the coming future, just with a better graphics card, because that helps with like editing and stuff. But sadly, this laptop only has a 5400 RPM mechanical hard drive, which is kind of bad. Things won't load up as fast just because it's not spinning as quickly as the previous one. So that's kind of sad that they have that slow spinning hard drive, but still a solid option, and I think this checks most boxes. As I said, it's 0.99 inches, so everything around here is basically an inch. Run Windows 10. Dell always makes solid laptops, so no complaints there. I think this. I can also attest to the audio on this laptop. It's really solid. So now let's move on to the third one on our list, and my favorite. Okay, so the third and best one, my favorite, personal favorite. I've promoted this product in the past. I really stand behind this, and I really love this laptop. This is Acer Next Row 5 gaming laptop. Intel Core i3 7300. This has a GeForce GTX 1050 Ti, so the improved graphics card there, 8 gigabytes of DDR4, and what makes this laptop absolutely insane is the 256 gigabyte SSD. That's going to speed up everything on this laptop. Comes in $679. Guys, this is my favorite one out of the three. It's got the 1080p screen, so that's fine. It's got dual fan cooling. It's got Acer True Harmony technology and Dolby Audio premium sound. And we also have a iron red backlit keyboard, gamer-esque sort of thing. As always, Windows 10. This, in my opinion, is the best one. I mean, it's that 256 gigabyte SSD makes this laptop absolutely incredible. Clocked at 2.5 gigahertz, so not as powerful as the last one, but still really solid in that aspect. Also, this has the longest battery life at 8.5 hours, which is amazing, and 4 gigabytes of dedicated VRAM there. No complaints here. That's basically it for all the specs. It's a little over an inch thick and 5.51 pounds, so a little heavier than the other ones. But guys, favorite laptop here. I recommend you go pick it up. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I appreciate all you guys tuning in and watching my content. Shout out to Harvey HD again for the thumbnail and this recommendation for the video. Subscribe if you're new, hit that notification bell, go check out my merchandise link down below if you guys want to cop some Life Made Easy merch. You can use my affiliate links in the description. That helps out the channel and I get a commission off that. So if you're looking to buy something on Amazon, go use my links below. As always, the links are in the description for these laptops. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you guys in the next upcoming video.